Most people think wealth comes from picking the right stock, landing the right job, or getting a little lucky. But what if I told you the real difference between someone who stays broke and someone who becomes wealthy comes down to one secret habit? A habit so powerful that the rich treat it like oxygen. And the crazy part? Anyone can develop it, even you, starting today. But here's the problem. Most people will never discover this habit because they're distracted, overstimulated, overwhelmed, and quietly sabotaging their own financial future without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what this habit is, why it separates the financially successful from everyone else, and how you can build it into your life, starting tonight. And trust me, if you skip this habit, nothing else in personal finance will save you. Let's dive in. We live in a world where you're bombarded every day. Buy this, upgrade that, limited time only. You're missing out. Your money isn't gone because you're stupid. It's gone because the world is engineered to take it. But here's the twist. Financially successful people don't fight harder than you. They fight smarter. And that leads us to the secret habit. But before I tell you, let me ask you something. When was the last time you sat in complete silence? No scrolling, or no notifications, no noise you probably can't remember. And that is why most people stay broke. You know, I once tried scrolling TikTok for just 5 minutes before budgeting. 2 hours later, I learned nothing about my finances, but I did learn that raccoons can play the piano anyway. Let's get serious. Here it is, the single habit that financially successful people practice religiously is daily financial awareness. Not budgeting, not spreadsheets, not apps. I'm talking about a daily moment of silence where you confront your financial reality. Just 3 to 10 minutes, no distractions, no noise. Just you and the truth. They call it different things: financial mindfulness, money check-in, intentional review, conscious spending moment. But the idea is the same. The rich pay attention, everyone else avoids. This small habit shapes every decision they make. Here's why it works. Number 1, awareness creates control. Most people fear checking their bank balance. The wealthy check it often because it gives them power. Number 2, it stops emotional spending. When you face your numbers daily, you don't panic buy, doom spend, or treat yourself into debt. Number 3, it rewires your brain around money. Just like going to the gym builds muscle, seeing your financial truth builds discipline. Number 4, it turns small decisions into massive gains. You won't overspend $5 on coffee today because you know it pushes back your investment goals tomorrow. But here's something even more shocking. When researchers studied self-made millionaires, they all shared this same daily practice, even before they became rich, meaning they didn't start this habit because they had money. They developed money because they started this habit. Let's break down how you can implement it. This is where your life changes. You're going to build your own daily financial awareness ritual, and you only need 3 steps. Step 1, choose your time. Morning lunch break. Night. Pick a moment when your mind is quiet. Yes, this means you may have to put your phone down. Shocking, I know. Step 2, review only 3 things. This ritual is not complex. Everyday check. Your current account balance. Your spending in the last 24 hours. Your next financial priority. A bill, a savings goal, an investment transfer, that's it. Not 20 categories, not 40 spreadsheets, just 3 data points. Step 3. Ask yourself one powerful question. Did my decisions today move me closer to the life I want, or farther from it? This single question rewires your financial identity. It forces honesty. It forces accountability. It forces growth. And financial success always starts with those 3. But wait. If this habit is so simple, Why don't most people do it? Because silence is uncomfortable. Reflection is uncomfortable. Change is uncomfortable. And that's why so many people stay stuck in the same financial cycle for years, sometimes forever, but you're still here, which already makes you different. Let's keep going. If you practice this habit daily, here's what happens. Your spending drops naturally, no force, no guilt, just awareness. Your money anxiety disappears because the unknown becomes known. You start making future-based decisions. Your goals become clearer. Your priorities align. Your confidence grows. Your wealth snowballs. Small improvements compound. This is how financially successful people win. Habits, discipline, decisions, wealth. And it all begins with a quiet moment of honesty every single day. The truth is, people don't fail because of bad financial advice. They fail because of bad financial awareness. You can't control what you don't see. You can't grow what you don't track. You can't build wealth if you're living blind. But today, you're not blind anymore. You know the secret habit. You know the system. You know the power of daily awareness. And now, it's your turn to practice it, because your future self is counting on you. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe. Because at Financial Fix, we don't just teach money, we teach the mindset that builds it. Your future starts today. Your wealth starts with one small habit, and you have everything you need to begin. This is Financial Fix, where your money meets the future.